Police are investigating a series of unusual thefts. Burglars are stealing airbags from people's cars.
Some people waking up today to find their cars on bricks.
Yeah, they were missing their wheels and their tires.
Trucks are now stealing tailgates from the back of pickup trucks.
Okay, this is a Ram 2500 heavy duty. We end up installing Excalibur 1670 with the with the module. We downloaded the firmware that belongs to this vehicle. We went ahead and gave them the linker unit. You don't have to carry the remote that comes with the alarm. The firmware interacts with the factory fob. So I'm going to go ahead and hit lock. You heard that chirp? That's my alarm in sync with the remote. I'm going to hit disarm. Unlock. That will disarm my alarm. 2 chirps is off and it unlocks your doors. We went ahead and gave him the app, so anywhere in the world he can arm the alarm. It will tell him doors are locked, and then he can unlock them. That turns off the alarm and unlocks the doors. Remote start the vehicle. The truck. Now you'll get the countdown, 20 seconds going backwards. This is the voltage of the battery inside the truck. This is the signal of the unit inside the truck. You can program whatever picture you want according to whatever car you have. It does have GPS. If you sync it down here, it'll tell you the location of the vehicle. Okay. You can have multiple cars in the garage. So let's say you have a bunch of vehicles, you can have them all here. So you can have 1 amp per vehicle. You don't have to have a bunch of different amps. What else can I tell you? To shut off the remote start, you can hit the stop. That will stop the truck. Okay. As far as if somebody opens the door, busts out the keyhole, that will fire off my alarm. Up in the antenna, there's a blue light that's going to be flashing at night. That antenna on the top has nothing to do with the linker unit with the phone. It's just an antenna to give you range if you want to carry my fobs around, which you don't have to. But it will also give you a further range if you wish. Otherwise, you can just roll with the factory one. I'm going to go ahead and bang on the window. And then I'm going to fire off. Okay, shut it off. Just hit unlock on the remote control and that shuts it off. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys another feature this thing has. Say you pull up somewhere and you want to get out and you want to leave the truck running, but you need the keys to open the door of the house or whatever. You can press this button right here on the top twice. You can remove the key and the truck stays running. That's a nice little feature. It's called the pit stop. Okay? If somebody jumps in, of course, and pushes the foot on the brake, shuts off the alarm. Okay? By the way, when you remote start the truck, what you want to do, you don't want to get in and push the foot on the brake because that will disable the remote start. Once it's running by remote control, you open the door, just turn the key and put it on the on position. And then you can push the foot on the brake and that will shut off my unit and the truck stays running because the key is already in the on position.